One important aspect of fire-resistant building materials and design is the implementation of fire-resistant landscaping. In this tutorial, we will explore the steps involved in creating a landscape that helps protect your property from wildfire. By following these guidelines, you can create a beautiful and functional outdoor space while minimizing the risk of fire damage. The first action can be taken is to divide your landscape into 4 different zones based on their distance from structures. The zones are as follows. Zone 1. This is the area immediately adjacent to your home or structure. It should be a non-combustible zone free from any flammable materials. Use materials such as rocks, stones, concrete, or gravel in this zone. Zone 2. This zone extends approximately 30 feet out from Zone 1. It should contain low flammability plants and materials. Choose plants with high moisture content, low resin content, and low accumulation of dead materials such as deciduous trees and well-maintained lawns. Zone 3. This zone extends from 30 to 100 feet out from Zone 2. Here you can have a mix of low flammability plants, but be sure to create spacing between them to prevent fire from spreading. Remove dead vegetation regularly from this zone. Zone 4. This zone extends from 100 to 200 feet out from Zone 3. It is an area where you can maintain the natural vegetation but thin it out to reduce the fuel load. Regularly maintain this zone by removing dead materials and pruning any shrubs or trees. Another effort to be taken is to choose fire-resistant plants. By selecting the right plants is crucial in creating a fire-resistant landscape. Some characteristics to look for when choosing plants are: low resin content. Resinous plants are highly flammable and should be avoided. Look for plants with low levels of resin or sap. 2. Moisture content. Choose plants that have a high moisture content as they are less likely to ignite. Succulent plants such as sedums and yuccas are good options. 3. Leaf shape. Plants with small leaves or needles are better than those with large, broad leaves. Small, compact leaves reduce the surface area available for ignition. 4. Non-accumulative dead materials. Avoid plants that drop a lot of dead leaves, needles, or bark. These can accumulate and become a fire hazard. 5. Native and adapted species. Opt for plants that are native to your region or well adapted to the local climate. They are more likely to withstand fire conditions. The last measure to be considered is the irrigation and maintenance. Proper irrigation and regular maintenance are essential to maintain a fire-resistant landscape. Some tips can be followed in that direction. 1. Water efficiently. Optimize your irrigation system to provide adequate water to plants without creating excess moisture. Avoid overwatering, as it can promote the growth of flammable plants. 2. Regularly inspect and maintain irrigation systems. Check for leaks, make repairs promptly, and ensure even water distribution. Properly functioning irrigation systems help keep plants healthy and reduce fire risk. 3. Regularly maintain landscape. Remove dead plants, weeds, and dry debris. Prune shrubs and trees regularly to maintain their health and shape. 4. Monitor and adjust. Regularly monitor your landscape and adjust your maintenance practices as needed, depending on weather conditions and changes in your plant's health. In conclusion, by implementing these fire-resistant landscaping techniques, you can create a beautiful outdoor space that minimizes fire risk. Remember to regularly maintain and monitor your landscape to ensure its effectiveness in protecting your property from wildfires.